Atoms of an element all have the same number of protons in their atomic nuclei, but they can have different number of neutrons. Atoms of an element with different number of neutrons are considered to be isotopes or isotopic nuclides of each other. In other words, isotopes is a term for nuclides having the same atomic number but different neutron numbers and consequently different nucleon or mass numbers. For example, carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14, all with 6 protons but different number of neutrons in their atomic nuclei, are famous isotopes of the element carbon. Isotopes can be stable or unstable, where in simple words, stable isotopes remain as they are, or equivalently, stable isotopes are not radioactive and don't show radioactivity. While unstable isotopes undergo spontaneous alteration or equivalently unstable isotopes are radioactive and show radioactivity. It is possible for an element to have many known isotopes, but necessarily not all of them are stable. For example, the element iron has 28 known isotopes, of which only 4 isotopes are stable. Considering all isotopes of all elements, 252 isotopes are observed to be stable, or we have altogether 252 observationally stable isotopes, which may change slightly in the future by observation of very mild radioactivity of some of them, with much more sensitive apparatuses. These 252 stable isotopes belong to 80 elements. Of 118 approved chemical elements, 38 elements, the element technetium with atomic number 43, the element promethium with atomic number 61, and all the elements with an atomic number greater than 82, only have unstable isotopes. In other words, the element lead with atomic number 82 is the heaviest element with stable isotopes, where all elements before it except technetium and promethium have one or more stable isotopes, while all elements after lead have no stable isotopes. One element, the element tin with symbol Sn and atomic number 50, has 10 stable isotopes, the highest number of stable isotopes that any element has. 5 elements have 7 stable isotopes each. 8 elements have 6 stable isotopes each. 10 elements have 5 stable isotopes each. 9 elements have 4 stable isotopes each. 5 elements have 3 stable isotopes each. 16 elements have 2 stable isotopes each. 26 elements have only 1 stable isotopes each. And 38 elements haven't any stable isotopes. It is also good to mention that in the past, the element bismuth with atomic number 83 was thought to be the heaviest element with a stable isotope. But in 2003, its most stable isotope, bismuth 209, was shown to be unstable and radioactive, although with a very faint radioactivity. Also, the element xenon with atomic number 54 was thought to have 8 stable isotopes, but based on an article published in 2019, one of those 8 isotopes is now considered to be unstable and radioactive. Although again with a very faint radioactivity, and therefore the element xenon is now assumed to have 7 and not 8 stable isotopes.